Hey, so I'm back with another Ameritron Al-811h. It's amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. This is an older one, made in the year 2000. Grid loading resistors are located on the top. I'll take those out, ground the grids, put the gas discharge tubes in. Needs a string of diodes for the cathode return. They are not on this board. This is the older, one of the first generation boards. So, straps are okay for the parasitic suppressor assembly. There's charring underneath that board. It's popping the fuse when I turn it on, so I stopped. I'm going to replace the resistors. I'm going to take the caps out, see what's going on underneath there. Air variables are in good condition, air variable capacitors. The SO239s are the older brown phenolic type, and they are not giving a really good connection, so those will get replaced. This one's not as bad, but this one's definitely not good, so I replaced both with silver plated Teflon type. So that's about it. I'll be back and we'll see how it looks when it's all finished. Stay tuned. 73. Okay, so tube socket assembly's out. Cut the filament leads. Well, I unsoldered them, cut them, restripped them. I'm going to cut the trace, put in the diodes. One of the old electrolytic caps had failed, and it arced over to the secondary tap point. So I checked the transformer, that's okay. Put another board in, took the coil off this board. Have the old pink resistors too. So this will be getting new filter caps and new resistors. I'm going to do the bias mod, I'm going to do everything else, so I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so the diodes have been installed. Grounded the grids really well. Added the gas discharge tubes. Connected the wire for the bias modification. I'm going to put this assembly back in. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with the completed amplifier. As I showed before, replace this board here. Put in new electrolytic caps. Always want to change the bleeder resistor / equalization resistors. Did the bias modification. Checked the plate blockers, they're okay. I showed the installation of the diodes for the bias circuit. Replaced the input and output SO239 connectors. Here are the old ones. Also, one of the .01 caps down there, ceramic disc caps, was damaged, so I ended up replacing both. So this got a brand new set of pentalap tubes. You saw everything I did underneath the tube sockets also. So this thing is all set. It's ready to go. So this is wired for 120, so it requires 12 amp fast blow fuses. So thanks for watching. Website is amprepairguy.com, and my phone number is 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Also, clean the rotary switches with deoxit gold and the open frame TR relay. So this thing's good to go. Thanks for watching.